Challenge Lab is designed to be a course to provide students with the skills and fundamentals of how to start a new technology venture. There is a technology focus to our course. It is also designed to help students practice their leadership skills, to build their networking skills, to understand what it's like to work with a mentor. It is also designed to help them understand what it means to bring a product to market.
So Challenge Labs is a very applied course. We expect over the duration of 3 months for students actually to go study customers in their context, discover problems, propose solutions, test out those solutions.
Since this program is meant to create leaders in technology world, and one of the key aspects of leadership is entrepreneurship. It prepares students to have an entrepreneurial mindset, and this program is built in a way that they actually get to do a startup.
We're hearing from all of our employers that students who bring to their interviews a portfolio of projects from Challenge Lab are much more likely to get hired. Why? They can demonstrate the ability to be creative with their problem-solving capabilities. They learn how to collaborate in a team environment. They get to practice leadership, prioritization, execution. And all of these things are really important to MNCs, small and medium-sized businesses, family businesses, or even if you decide later on you want to start a new venture.
There is a wide variety of problems that students are picking up. There are businesses in detecting and preventing mental health issues. There are businesses that are trying to solve for better agricultural outputs. So those are the kind of problems that we have seen come by, which represent massive opportunities from an economic standpoint, but also from a social standpoint.